By the way, my name is Nilo, the events host. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And ingat po tayo sa pag-uwi. Tonight, we celebrated not just 80 wonderful years, but a life full of love, wisdom, and cherished memories. To our dear celebrant, thank you so much for being an inspiration for all of us.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng nandito para iparamdam ko sa hero ng aming buhay kung gaano siya ka-espesyal sa inyo, kung gaano niyo binigyan ng time, ng effort, ng dito.
Imagine, it's almost 11 o'clock at gising na gising pa kayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. It shows how you love and how supportive you guys are to Sir Pat Razon. Once again, Sir Pat, happy birthday! Sabay-sabay nating batiin ang happy birthday, Pat! In 3, 2, 1!